So now we crossed that how to design the chart, how to customize the design. So everything we have done, but we skip actually what is map. Okay. So now design map. To design a map, we need to actually select. Suppose actually Tableau provides this map service. Okay, and you have the option to like map layers and map layers. Map option layer means or whatever you want to just use the traffic details. Want to get the rail line details. So these are the layers you can use. Okay, you also have option to import your own geocoding customization. Okay, so that you can customize your geocoding. It is advanced. If you know the geo how to place the how to write the geocoding, then you will have this good option. Okay, the background image, background maps. So I'm coming here one by one. So what I will do, I will actually any geographical field I can draw it. Okay, suppose I'm dragging the city in detail, I'm dragging the country in detail. Okay, in detail, and I'm dragging the state in detail. Okay. Okay, so it is here. Now I'm selecting this one. So and these are the map, how you want to see your map detail. So the second one is not working at now, so I'm not wasting my time here. So here you look, the longitude latitude is already actually generated automatically. Actually generated, the longitude latitude is dragged automatically, and I have dragged the country, state, city in the details. So whenever you will hover your mouse at any point, then a tooltip will show. We know how to design the tooltip, so I'm not going for the design part, that you can change the tooltip. Okay, so if you so just give me okay, so whenever I will just click on that, it is changed. Okay, so now I can do, so this is why this is what we can do with map. Now the background map outdoors, I'm changing it now, like here, so it is just getting changed. So this is how we can design the map. Look, map options is there. So search this one, allow zoom and show map, so that we can actually uh, zoom and zoom out, like the map. Okay, so these are the things that you can do with the map. Okay, a lot of services available, lot of things available in the map. So if you need any advanced knowledge in map, then you can please send me a comment in the next to the video, and I will definitely will reply it back. I will prepare a tutorial, a video on the map specifically, but I just need a comment from your side. Okay, that I actually I also need to know that you are reading my you are learning something from my video, and you are interested in it to interested for the advanced knowledge. Okay, so send me comment if you need anything else that I'm showing in the video. So now I'm skipping, I'm actually leaving this map now, because we have a lot of things that we need to lot of things to learn for the from Tableau. So I'm leaving it the map now. So this is the map. um, Now next I will show how I can so what actually we have done, we done the design the all sheets. Okay, look here, here the first is the uh, one sheet, this is one sheet, this is another sheet, this is a dual axis sheet, this is sorry, it is not, I'm deleting it. Okay, this is map sheet. So I have actually I have drawn many sheets. Okay, so now I will prepare a dashboard. So next video I will show how to prepare a dashboard.